What is income inequality? Income inequality exists when income is distributed unequally amongst the population. Why is this a problem? It can lead to social unrest and unhappiness within a population. For the first year challenge, we were given the location of Westminster Abbey. Having been constructed in 1065, this world-famous building is a symbol for religion. An interesting question which we have decided to research further is whether there is any correlation between income inequality and religious affiliation. The Gini coefficient is an easy way to quantify and compare income inequality across populations. The Gini coefficient is a numerical value between 0 and 1, with 0 representing perfect income equality and 1 representing perfect income inequality, and is often expressed as a percentage. After our research, we found that there was a correlation between countries having low religious affiliations and low Gini coefficients. For example, the Scandinavian countries have some of the lowest Gini coefficients amongst the OECD and some of the lowest rates of religious affiliation. For example, Norway's Gini coefficient is 23.9%, Sweden's Gini coefficient is 25.2%, and Denmark's Gini coefficient is 27.4%. The Gini coefficients for OECD countries ranges from 22% to 62%, and so these Scandinavian countries have some of the most equal income distributions achieved globally. On average, 26.2% of the Scandinavian population are not affiliated to any religion, which is higher than the global average of 16%. On the other hand, in countries such as Namibia, with a far greater Gini coefficient of 59.1% and Suriname with 57.9%, much lower proportions of the population are religiously unaffiliated. For example, in Namibia, only 1.5% of the population have no religious affiliation, and in Suriname, 7.5%. Another example, located in a different region, is Colombia, which has a Gini coefficient of 54.2%, but only 6% of its population is religiously unaffiliated. Therefore, a trend can be seen with countries located in regions such as Africa and Latin America who have much higher religious affiliation statistics, but who also experience far greater income inequality, as seen through them having higher Gini coefficients. Although there seems to be an apparent correlation between the level of religious affiliation within a country and its Gini coefficients, as seen from the previous examples, this alone cannot determine the cause of this outcome.